Hi everybody, Patrick here from EscapeRoomElectronics.com, PaintballProps.com, and EngineeringShock.com. Today I'm going to show you our new escape room prop. This is a secret compartment safe prop. It's got 3 digits. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the demonstrations before anything else so that you can decide if you want to watch and see how some of the special functions work. As you can see, you've got 3 variable resistors that are mountable, an LED button, green, and an electromagnetic lock. If you purchase this set, I will have extensions to the electromagnetic lock, and I'll show you how to connect them a little bit later. But first of all, I'm just going to show you how this works. By default, I'm going to power it up, 12 volt 2 amp adapter, electromagnetic lock closes, the all 3 digits scroll, and I know from this angle it might be difficult to see the digits, but I've set the default code to be 927. And you can program in your own code on a per game basis. I'll show you that in just a minute. And to change each of the digits, you turn the variable resistors. Each variable resistor is responsible for a different digit. Now I believe the basic code I think is 927 for this. If you purchase this, you can request your own custom code. 927 or 926? 927. So if I put 926 and I press the button, I get the error message, ERR for 3 seconds, and then it goes back into scanning mode. So if I change it to 927, POS, positive, and it will remain in that state until I press the button again. I listen for the electromagnetic lock, closed again. Now, what if I remove power and I want to change the code for the day? What I'm going to do is I'm going to power it on, and while the 3 digits are scrolling, I'm going to press and hold the button until the scrolling is done. I'm going to let go. Now I'm going to select my own code. So let's do 722. Oh, sorry, that's the middle one. 722 will be our new code. And the unit will scroll again after I've selected it with the green button. So let's try 927 again. 722 being our new code. Error. 722, I'll bring it back to 722. And positive. So, I press it again as the game ends or the secret compartment opens. I press it again and brings me back into the mode, and it will still save that code. You can program in a new code or go back to the default code just by powering up. Remember, default code, you don't press the button and hold it during power up. If you want to program in your own code, you simply power it up, press and hold the LED button until the scrolling ends. And then you can program in your own code, and it will stay like that as long as that new code will stay with the system as long as the power supply is still connected. Under this light, this looks like nothing. The digits don't look like anything. You can't read it. To the human eye, I easily see 522. But in this light, in the frame rate of my camera, it just looks jumbled in the camera view. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you, I'm going to turn off the light so you can get a view of what I'm seeing with my eyes. 522. The variable resistors that are mountable all come connected to the main board. Each variable resistor has a long, easy to turn knob and a mounting nut and washer. This set includes a 12 volt 2 amp AC to DC wall adapter that plugs in right here. When using this terminal block to power an electromagnetic lock, you want to make sure that the 2 included jumpers are placed on these 2 headers. And if you're going to be using the relay to power AC devices or high power devices, you want to make absolutely sure that those 2 are removed, because that applies power 12 volts to the electromagnet through the relay. If you remove these, you can safely use the 3-pin terminal block right here, which I'm going to talk about next. The 2-pin terminal block has 2 terminals labeled red and black. Red is where you connect your red positive electromagnetic lock wire. Black, BLK, is where you connect your black wire. By default, when on power up, the electromagnet is magnetized. When you enter in the right code, it demagnetizes. This 3-pin terminal block can be used as a high-powered switch controlled by the digital circuitry, but only when these 2 jumpers are removed. The high-powered relay can be used to control high-power AC or DC devices. As you can see, there are 3 pins, NO, CO, and NC. NO is normally open, CO is common, and NC is normally closed. By default, when the relay is off, the common pin is connected internally to the NC pin. So these two terminals are connected. So when the relay switches on, these are no longer connected anymore. It's like an on-off switch. When the relay turns on, the common pin disconnects from the normally closed pin and connects over to the NO line. So when the relay is on, when you've entered in a correct combination, these two terminals connect to each other. So you can use the hotline from your AC from an extension cord and sever it, place one end in each terminal, and when the relay turns on, it reconnects that circuit powering your AC device. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at either engineeringshock.com, paintballprops.com, or escaperoomelectronics.com. For any of your escape room questions, we can also be reached through the contact pages at any of those sites. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, check out the links below. Thanks for watching, everyone.